instructor. He's instructed on and displayed the Jet Promise and the Extra 300. His RV8 took 2 years to build on the part of both Andy and his wife Ellie, both of whom are today airline captains. And now the RV8tors coming in once again for another loop. In spite of the fact that this is a home-built machine, the RV8 is, as you can see, able to perform in a comparable manner to much more expensive, bespoke competition aerobatic aircraft. It's also a two-seater and a pretty decent tourer as well. Another attribute that makes the RV8 a very attractive option for the private pilot is the fact that not only is it much more affordable than many other types, but it has very good airfield performance, able to take off and land from short strips such as